Hi guys, Jeremy here, and in today's video, I'm going to show you how to automate your Instagram lead generation with GoHighLevel so that you can collect leads easily and focus on growing your business. But before we dive in, I want to mention that if you don't have a GoHighLevel account yet, you can sign up using my link in the description below. Usually GoHighLevel is going to offer you a 14-day free trial, which isn't quite enough to explore everything that this platform has to offer. But if you sign up through my link, you'll get an extended 30-day free trial. On top of that, I'll give you access to my GoHighLevel Jumpstart course, which will help you get up to speed quickly and make the most out of the platform. Now, let's get into it. First, let's talk about why you should consider automating your Instagram lead generation. Well, Instagram is a massive platform with over 1 billion active users. It's a visual space where engagement rates are high and people are actively looking to connect with brands and influencers that resonate with them. However, manually reaching out to each potential lead, responding to DMs, and collecting contact information can be incredibly time-consuming. Plus, it's easy to miss messages or forget to follow up, which can result in lost opportunities. If you automate this process, you can make sure that every interested person receives a timely response. Their information is collected effectively and they are entered into your marketing funnel smoothly. Automation helps you scale your efforts without increasing your workload. So why exactly should you use GoHighLevel for your Instagram lead generation? Well, the main reason is it's a powerful automation workflow that works perfectly with Instagram. With GoHighLevel, you can set up automated triggers so that when someone sends you a DM, they get an automatic response. Now, this means you don't have to manually respond to every message, saving you a lot of time. It also ensures that no lead is missed. For instance, if a potential lead sends you a direct message or comment on your post and asks you about your services, instead of responding manually, GoHighLevel can instantly send a personalized message and give them the information that they need or directing them to book a call. And it doesn't end there. You can create entire marketing sequences that guide users step by step from their first message to becoming a customer. Now, let's talk about the next step, which is setting up your Instagram automation with GoHighLevel. Before diving into the rest of the workflow, you need to connect your Instagram account to GoHighLevel. Now, don't worry, I'll walk you through it step by step. So first, make sure that you're on your sub account in GoHighLevel. Once you're there, go to the left-hand menu and click on the settings option. Now, this will take you to the settings page where we can get things started. Next, scroll down the settings menu until you find integrations. Click on it and you'll see all of the available integrations like Google, Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, Shopify, and more. Now, since we're focusing on Instagram, locate the Facebook and Instagram option and click on Connect. A new window is going to pop up where you can log into your Facebook or your Instagram account and give the necessary permissions to link them. Once your Instagram is connected, you're ready to move on. The next step is to create a unique offer or a call to action. So let me give you an example of how this works. So when somebody sends you a direct message on Instagram or they comment on your post, GoHighLevel can automatically send a response. Now, this is where you can include a link to a form, a unique offer, or a call to action that leads them further into your funnel. For example, you could send an automatic message saying, "Hey, thanks for reaching out. I'd love to help you. Please click this link to fill out a quick form so I can understand your needs better." Now, once they fill out the form, their information is captured in GoHighLevel, and now you have their email and other important details. Now, once you have their information, you can easily follow up by sending them personalized emails that add value and help build a relationship. Automation keeps things simple and organized, making sure that every lead gets attention. Every action that they take, like filling out a form, helps you understand their needs better and gives you a chance to connect with them. Now that you have connected your Instagram to GoHighLevel, it's time to create a workflow. So a workflow is important because it helps you automate repetitive tasks such as responding to comments or direct messages. Plus, it makes sure that each potential lead gets the attention that they need. So to create a workflow, click on the Automation tab in the left menu, which will take you to the Workflow List page. You'll see any existing workflows here, but we need a new one. So click on the Create Workflow button to get started. When creating a workflow, you have two options. Either select from the pre-made templates or start from scratch. So for this demo, let's choose a pre-made template by selecting the Select a Recipe option. Adding a recipe means that there are pre-built templates available for you to choose from, which makes the process much easier and faster. Now, these templates are designed to handle common tasks, so you don't have to build everything from the ground up. It's a great way for beginners to get started without feeling overwhelmed. GoHighLevel offers a few different templates to choose from, but for this demo, we'll use the recipe Instagram comment automation. So click on Select to enter the workflow builder where we can customize the template to fit our needs. The workflow template is already built, but we need to make a few customizations, like to add the messages that GoHighLevel will send when someone comments or sends you a DM on Instagram. The great thing about this template is that you can easily change both the comment and DM messages to suit your audience. So let's start by customizing the comment response first. So click on the Respond on Comment action in the workflow. This will open the right-hand sidebar where you can modify the message that will be sent in response to a comment. The default message might say something like, "Hey, check out your DM," or "Thanks for showing interest. Please check your DM." Now, these are just good starting points, but feel free to change them to make the message sound more personal and engaging. For now, we'll keep it simple and just use the default messages. Now, once you're happy with the message, click on the Save Action button. Now, whenever someone comments on your Instagram post, this saved message will automatically be sent as a reply. On top of that, GoHighLevel will also send them a direct message to further the conversation. Next, let's customize the DM message that gets sent. Click on the Instagram Interactive Messenger action in the workflow, and the right sidebar will open again. Here, you can write the DM that will be automatically delivered to anyone who comments on your post or sends you a direct message. Now, this is your chance to make a great first impression. You can say something like, "Hey there, thanks for reaching out. I'd love to help you out. Please click the link below to fill out a quick form so that we can get started." Now, make sure to include a link to a form or a unique call to action, like scheduling a call, signing up for a webinar, or accessing a special offer. Adding a form is important because it allows you to collect the lead's information, such as their name, email, and other relevant details. Now, once they fill out the form, you now have valuable information that can be used to nurture them further. For instance, after getting their email, you can set up an automated email sequence to send personalized messages that provide value and build trust. Now, this follow-up is key to turning a potential lead into an actual customer. Be sure to click on the Save button to save your changes to the workflow. So using automation like this makes it easy to stay on top of your lead generation efforts without having to manually reply to every comment or DM. After setting up your workflow, the next step is to design a lead capture funnel using GoHighLevel's Funnel Builder. This funnel will guide your prospects from showing initial interest to becoming qualified leads. Start by creating a landing page or an opt-in page using the Funnel Builder. It should grab attention and offer something valuable, like a free guide or a webinar. So keep your CTA, your call to action, simple and clear that encourage visitors to take the next step. Now, once someone provides their information, GoHighLevel will automatically add them to your system. Now, this makes it easy easy for you to continue nurturing your leads through follow-up emails or messages. Once your lead capture funnel is in place, the next step is to make sure that your leads receive timely communication. Automating your email delivery is key to keeping your prospects engaged and interested. With GoHighLevel, you can easily create email sequences that are triggered by your lead's actions, like signing up or clicking on a link. This means that every lead gets the right message at the right time, helping them move closer to becoming a customer. Now, make sure that your emails are personalized to add a human touch. Personalized emails can make a big difference in keeping your audience interested and building trust. So GoHighLevel's tools make it simple to set up and automate this process. After automating your email delivery, the next step is to focus on maximizing engagement and conversions. Now, this means keeping an eye on your workflows and making adjustments to improve results. Now, you can start by analyzing how well your emails are performing. Look at metrics like open rates and click-through rates and see where people might be dropping off in your funnel. Based on what you find, make changes to your subject lines, CTAs, or the content itself to get better engagement. You can also segment your audience for more tailored communication. If you address their specific interests or pain points, you'll be more likely to turn leads into loyal customers. GoHighLevel's tools make it easy to monitor and adjust your campaigns that help you keep improving over time. So that's it for this video, and I hope that this tutorial gave you a better understanding of how GoHighLevel can help automate your lead generation and customer conversion process. If you're ready to take your lead generation to the next level, I highly recommend giving GoHighLevel a try. Don't forget, by signing up through my link in the description below, you'll get an exclusive 30-day free trial instead of the standard 14 days. Plus, you'll gain access to the GoHighLevel Jumpstart course, which will help you make the most out of the platform. So thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video.